We're on the off ramp.
Hands, don't move, don't move, get out of the fucking car, don't move, don't move, don't move, don't move, get out of the car, get out of the car now, get out of the car, get out of the car, you run, you're getting bit, you run, you're getting bit, get on the ground, get out of the car now, get out of the fucking car, on your stomach, get out of the car, do it now, there's nowhere to go, get out of the fucking car, get out of the fucking car now.
Get on the ground, do it now.
You run, you get bit.
Get on the ground, do it now. Hey.
Get him, get him, get him. Here, here, go help him. Get on the ground now. Oh, shit. On the ground, put it down, turn over, turn over, turn over. On your stomach, on your stomach, on the stomach, hands behind your back. Shots fired. Hands behind your back. Yeah.
On March 30th, 2025, in Overland, Missouri, police approached a vehicle wanted in connection to an aggravated battery on an officer. What followed escalated in seconds. Like, comment, and subscribe for more real police body cam footage.
Attention all cars, officer needed a patient Wharton, patient Wharton.
Take your time.
That's the shield station.
Are you shooting? We have one in custody. The suspect's been shot in the arm. Are you shooting?
That's for one in custody. EMS.
White way on.
He's losing control. We're on the off ramp. He's lost control, faced the wrong way. Get out of the car right now.
Right, 59. We'll 68 out from side.
10-0-6 the vehicle that's interfering. It's a gray Infiniti group track.
10-6 gray Infiniti interfering. Eastbound 90 59.
The male driver looks suspect. White skin, black hair.
Max Honda has a foot tire off right to the
Exiting the high point. Sorry, we're coming from Highlands. When I originally stopped him. He yelled out the window that he has a...
On May 7th, 2025, Washington State Patrol initiated a traffic stop near Preston. What followed was an intense dual pursuit involving two brothers across Interstate 90 and into Seattle.
206 the vehicle's on control, exiting to High Point.
Looks like I got one WSC to, looks like Seattle's lane department. They're stopping right here. South Alpha, please. Just over the train track. Vehicle stop. This connection probably come on.
Starting when the vehicle stops, commit to assembly stop 66.
Got the driver door open. Looks like passenger door open as well. Hands are up.
Starting when the driver door open, hands are up 66.
Which side channel?
Which one?
They're taking the passenger in custody and they're still talking.
And then he spins out, facing traffic the wrong way. It's a miracle no one got hurt here.
Looks like he's going south into the golf course. Let's do a reverse 911. We got to get these people out of the golf course. Direction of fire would be south from 136. Police department, stop! Put your hands up! Put your hands up now! You will get shot! Oh, Jesus! Come on! Yeah, buddy.
August 2023, Thornton, Colorado. Police are in pursuit of a wanted suspect across a golf course. What unfolds next leads to a deadly confrontation. This is where adrenaline takes over. It's loud, chaotic, and the danger is very real. You can hear the urgency, officers trying to end this without more violence, but every movement could be fatal.
Stop right here. Come here! Stop! Police! Stop! Police! 292-foot pursuit. Stop! Police! Stop! Come here!
I can't go to jail. Please don't take me.
Give me your hands.
I promise you I'll pay my fine.
Turn around!
I can't go to jail. Lose my job.
Turn around! Give me your hands.
My other hand's underneath you.
Give me your hand. Give me your hand now.
I'm gonna give it to you. What am I being arrested for?
Because you're running from police. 292 other units.
Sand Springs police encounter a woman acting erratically near 5th and Main.
292.
What begins as a strange sight quickly escalates into a foot pursuit.
Hey y'all. I went into the kitty guard. They will fire me. That's the only reason why I ran.
Okay,
I can't leave.
stand up.
They're a bad lady.
Okay. Where's your car at? Okay, we're gonna walk that way. Over here.
I have money to bond myself out. I have a bail bond when it comes about.
Drivers running away west on Chapel towards Blatchley. Hispanic male, orange shirt.
We're coming.
Yo, stop fucking.
Report, sir.
October 7th, 2022, 1:29 a.m., Fairhaven, New Haven, Connecticut. Officer Chad Curry responds to a car crash. Within minutes, a suspect opens fire.
People do not want to evade their money.
Shots fired.
On January 30th, 2025, Lake Worth police attempted a routine traffic stop in Fort Worth, Texas. What followed was a chaotic and tragic series of events spanning several hours.
Male, white, gray, off Harley. Gray and black shirt. Off. Here, Harley.
Drop the gun! Drop the gun!
Drop it!
Drop it!
Here. Don't do that! Don't do it, sir! No! Don't do it! Don't do it. Here. It's just evading, dude. Come on.
Come on, man.
Drop it. Back up. You might start running us over. Come on.
1044, he's trying to back up in the vehicle. He has a gun. 10-4 still
Back
has
up
a
to your
gun.
unit. Back up to your unit. Come on. Get covered. Get covered. Harley, load it up. Load it up. Okay, let's turn it around. Oh, go ahead. Come on.
trying to turn around and come back towards us.
Officers are practically begging, not shouting orders, but offering peace. You can tell they don't want this to end violently. It's not just about tactics here, it's human to human, trying to talk someone back from the edge.
Putting that to Dashcam, folks, and making any movement with it.
Okay, why don't you keep on negotiating? Oh, there's a fire going on in the vehicle, guys. There's a...
Cynthia, you almost stoned that cigarette? All right. One or two, she's trying to pull away.
March 12th, 2018, Elgin, Illinois. Police respond to a roadside standoff involving 34-year-old Cynthia Clements, leading to a tragic and controversial conclusion on the Jane Addams Tollway.
All right. Is the vehicle off yet?
What's that?
Is the vehicle still on?
No, yeah, it's still on. She just tried pulling away. She literally just moved.
All right.
Trying to put in drive. In drive.
That's all right.
Open up the door, keep your hands off. Hey, hold on.
Anyone with me up here?
Exit the vehicle. Yep. Exit the vehicle.
If she gets out,
You have the car
okay, and her hands are empty, and she starts coming back, me and one other jump this, we'll get her to the ground, get her in cuffs.
Open up the door, keep your hands up.
Stay back.
No one going on you.
Yeah. Everybody else stay back.
Hey guys, it's her vehicle. Starts on fire.
Light smoke, it looks like it's fucked up on the inside. Yeah, smoke's coming from the inside.
She's got the knife to her neck. She's got the knife to her neck. Is she stabbing herself?
Putting that to Dashcam, folks, and making any movement with it.
Okay, why don't you keep on negotiating? Oh, there's a fire going on in the vehicle, guys. There's a fire going on inside the vehicle.
Active fire in the backseat of the vehicle.
As flames start rising inside the vehicle, the urgency in their voices ramps up. There's no playbook for this. It's raw, chaotic, and instinctual. You can almost hear the fear.
Car! They're screaming. We gotta get her. Gotta get the window down. Yep. Stand by. Hands, team. Let's go. Get out of the car.
Cynthia, step out of the car. All right, boys, this is gonna be rough here. Okay, look at the taser ready.
There's you one hand, are they?
Shield. Shield.
We have the taser. Paul's got
We have
taser.
to get her out. You want me to smash the window? Get the taser set. Get her out.
I got it. Hold on. Let me see your hands. See your hands. Hands. Cynthia, get out of the car.
Come out of the car or you are under arrest.
He needs to stay away from me.
48 headquarters. Stay right here.
Okay.
Hey, touch him.
Do not let him
Calm
touch
down.
her. No, tell him to stay away from me.
What's your name?
Stay away from me.
Here's the deal. You can either come out of the car or I'm going to break out the window. I'm going to break out the window if you don't exit. No, you can go over there.
No.
No! .48 headquarters. She's trying to take off. We got a pursuit. She almost just struck Olivia.
On July 23, 2024, in Alliance, Ohio, officers responded to a domestic violence call. What followed in the police station parking lot quickly escalated into chaos.
On the ground! On the ground! On the ground!